Leather which is more than 50 years old requires a particularly gentle treatment. Cleaning, repair and maintenance must be carried out very carefully to ensure the leather is not damaged and to retain the beautiful patina. When cleaning an antique leather item, never work too wet. This applies to absorbent surfaces such as porous leather or damaged areas. The leather would absorb all the moisture and become hard and stiff when dry. If there is no visible dirt, it's enough to dust the leather carefully. Small deeper damages can be filled with Colourlock Fluid Leather Neutral. Neutral fluid leather is transparent when dry and helps to retain the patina. A patina color does not always have to reflect the basic tone of the original leather. To create a beautiful patina, a semi-translucent, non-opaque color must be mixed. In this case, it's a thinned Colourlock leather fresh with a greenish tinge. The patina color should be applied thinly and uniformly. The transparency of the color gives it a beautiful patina and gloss. Finally, the leather should be carefully maintained with the elephant leather preserver. Do not apply too much. The leather should not get too greasy. Little amount of product and regular treatments are best practice. After you have successfully restored the leather, it should be treated gently in future. Antique leather is not as resistant as new leather. The restoration does not change this either. Avoid direct exposure to sun and don't stress the old leather during use so that you can enjoy such a beautiful piece for a long time.